Why do you have to pay what you pay? That is what I will try to explain right now. And I will start off by showing you this graph. This is called a supply graph. We need to write price here and quantity here. Because when it's about supply, that means how much is produced of something. Let's say strawberries. How many strawberries are there on the market at any given time, or at any given price, even better? Well, the supply graph looks like this. That is because if the price is very low, like it is here, then there are not that many strawberries on the market. You see, the quantity is also low. But if the price is very high, if we have to pay a lot for the strawberries, then you also see that there is a lot of strawberries on the market. And that is simply because a lot of people or producers of strawberries, they want to sell a lot of strawberries at that time because the price is so good. So the supply graph looks like this. A low price, a small supply. High price, high quantity, or a high supply. So remember this. Remember supply. Because now we're going to look at the other part of this. We have to draw the same basic graph here. We write price, we write quantity, but this time we do like this. And we call this demand. Here you see that we have a high price. And when the price is high, the people who demand, who want strawberries, they don't want that much. We want to buy cheap strawberries, and here the price is very, very high, and therefore we don't want to buy them. But when we follow this graph, you see that the lower the price, the higher the quantity. Low price, high quantity. This is the demand graph. We still have not answered the questions, why do you have to pay what you pay for the strawberries? If we add both these graphs now, we still have the price here, we have the quantity over here, we put our demand graph and our supply graph. Well, something happened here. We have a point here where the two graphs meet each other. This is called the equilibrium. This is a price where the supply graph and the demand graph meet each other. At this price, whatever it is, then the producers and the consumers want to sell and buy the same amount of strawberries. That is a perfect price for strawberries, because at this price, then all the strawberries that are produced will be sold. There are no customers who leave the store without strawberries because they got what they wanted, and there are no strawberries left in the stores by the end of the day because the price was too high. This is a perfect price because everything is sold.